This is so much fun. I feel like I'm in chemistry class here. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. This is Beauty with a Hammer. Now today I am going to be showing you guys how I make soap for the very first time. Yeah, you heard that. So it's kind of my newest obsession right now. I have been binge watching YouTube videos, like soap video after soap video, and I am in love. So I've ordered all my stuff. I was anxiously waiting for all of 2 days to get all my stuff from Amazon. And I'm going to be following another YouTuber as she shows me how to make lavender honey lemon melt and pour soap. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so the first thing that she says we need to do is zest a lemon. Now I don't have the right tools to zest a lemon. I have this potato peeler, and so I'm going to be kind of trying to use this to zest the lemon. Take a look at these awesome skills. I feel like the lemon peel is larger than what she has, but I think we can make it work. So why soap making? I don't know, guys. I'm weird. I just get like into these little seasons in my life where I will like to try something new. So right now, I feel like soap making is that next thing for me. Here we go. I'm zesting this lemon, and I'm trying to make it the little pieces as small as I can. But obviously with a peeler, a potato peeler, it's gonna be kind of hard to get that. But man, this lemon smells so good. Yum. Lemon is zested. So I'm gonna put that over here. And then the other thing she says to do once you have all the little pieces of lemon is to take the paper towel, fold it in half, and then kind of like press down. Get all the excess like juice, all the lemon juice out. She says if you don't, it could mold in your soap. So we don't want no molding up in here. So I'm going to put this aside and see what's next. Alright guys, so according to Crystal, the YouTuber I'm following, the next thing I'm going to do is cut up the soap. So I ordered some goat's milk soap melt and pour base from Amazon, and this has about 2 pounds of soap base. It comes in 1 pound little blocks here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut them up into little cubes, put them in this microwavable safe container and melt it. I'm going to be using this to cut up my soap, and she says that you want to try to cut it in little cubes. Now I absolutely love lavender and the smell of honey and the smell of lemon, and now that I'm going to get to combine all of these three, oh my gosh, it's going to be magic. 1 pound block of soap. This holds 4 cups, and so you guys can see I've already just cut one of the blocks, and that seems to be all that fits in here. So I'm going to go ahead and microwave this. It says to microwave in 10 to 30 second intervals and kind of mix it until everything is nice and melted, and then we can continue to do our stuff. I'm going to go ahead and work on melting this, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I've melted all of my soap, and it melted down to about 2 cups. What I'm supposed to do next is add in whatever I want to add in. So I'm going to add in my lavender drops. I'm going to be doing maybe about 15. The next thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of purple color. This is a powder pigment that I purchased off of Amazon, and I have a little bit of alcohol in here. It is 90%, and it came with a little scooper. So I'm going to add probably about just the tip of this little scooper here, just so I can get kind of like a lavender color, more of a purple color. Ooh, this is really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I'm going to take my spray bottle to try to get the rest of that in there and mix that up. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding the zest, the lemon zest from what I prepared earlier. I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to put a little bit and have enough left over so that I can sprinkle some of it on the top. I'm also going to sprinkle in the Lavender Buds. Now this is all kind of based off what I saw in the YouTube video, and hopefully this works out well. Now I got the lavender. I actually grow lavender, so I've been drying some of my lavender and I've been dying to use it in a project, and so I'm so excited to finally be able to use the lavender that I harvested from my own garden. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the honey, about 2 tablespoons of honey. And I believe the next thing that I can go ahead and do is start pouring it. So I'm gonna go ahead and move all of this out of the way here. I've got my mold here. Now this one's set up for like 6 little bars of soap. I filled up 4 of the little spaces, and I was able to fill about half of one of the other spaces. So I'm gonna go ahead, and the lady said to go ahead and spray it with alcohol, with rubbing alcohol, to get rid of any little bubbles. I filled this little spray bottle here with 91% alcohol, and I just sprayed it on top, and the bubbles like instantly disappeared. It's magical. I'm gonna go ahead and let this set for a little bit, let it harden on the surface, and then go ahead and add these on top. Then I'm gonna let them sit for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna get to unmold them. So I'm really excited. So I'll show you guys what that looks like, the finished product looks like, and that's it. Pretty simple, huh? See you guys in 2 hours. All right, you guys, it's been 2 hours, and I have been like patiently waiting for this to finally set. So I am about to unmold my soap. So I'm really hoping that the 2 hours was enough to set it on the sides here. I'm gonna start bringing this out. Ah! I love it! Look how cute! It's a little bar of soap, and I went in later and I sprinkled some more lavender and lemon peels. It smells heavenly, you guys. Okay, let me go ahead and unmold the rest of these. This turned out great, you guys. This looks so good. And then I'm gonna unmold this little one. This is a much smaller one. As you guys can see, it's like half of it, but looks so good! Oh my gosh, I am so happy. So as you guys can see, there's a little bit of lavender in here because I did wait a little bit too long. But I absolutely love this. Like I think for the first time making soap, I think it turned out pretty good. Oh, I'm so excited to use these. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I had a lot of fun making soap. This is not going to be the only time I make soap. I'm going to continue to try to make different creations with soaps, and so hopefully I can bring you guys along that journey as well, at least while I'm in this soap making phase. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos. Again, on this channel, I post anything from beauty to health to DIY projects. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Or give a sister some tips. I mean, if you got some tips, if you make soap already and you could give me some tips on how I could have done this a little bit better, leave those below. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.